All right, guys. So we're checking out another amazing website. Again, I'll leave the link below. So this website, basically, it generates music from ball collision in 2D. So I'm gonna turn the volume on right now. Now this is the default setup. Let me turn it up a little bit. This is the default setup. So you can see, as you know, the ball collide to each other, it'll make a sound or a note. Now we can change the note right here on the top left. There are the options. I'm sorry, right, this one right here. So right now it's in the root is C. We'll leave it as C for now. But there are options. You can change the gravity, speed, count. Again, the note, major, MIDI, duration, ball state, ball size, and you can delete the ball. The other option here on the top left, you can turn the sound off, pause it. You can reset it. Right now it's, well, let's just reset it. There you go. And we'll just and if you're moving the cursor and just click on it, it'll make a ball. Small ball. Oh, let me turn on the sound. Alright, we'll just put a bunch in. And if you click and hold on the ball, you can move it. Okay. Put it right here. Put this one here. Alright, let's just put a bunch of balls everywhere. Oh, we're gonna have to move that one. And we'll change the gravity a little bit higher, the speed, faster, count. Oh shoot, that's a lot of count. Okay, and then we'll change the note, the bottom option on C. What F? Oh no, really? So, okay, let's go back to C. What happened to the bottom option? It just disappeared. Okay, I guess it just disappeared. I don't know what happened to it, guys. Oh, okay, there we go. So if you click on to make a circle, it'll appear. Ball state, ball size. You can change the ball size to, I guess, bigger. Every time you click, it doesn't really have like an option to change. I mean, which ball size you want. We'll just now, I don't know how to put multiple balls. This option right here. Oh shit, what happened? I don't know how many, like all this. Let me just slow it down. This option right here, let me see if it shows up. Ball change state when it hit on and off. Oh, so the ones that aren't moving will move. Okay, if it hits it, then it'll move. But if you go back to the original, it'll. Okay, I got it. Oh, we're gonna move this one. So this is the off right now. But if I turn it on, so every time the balls that are not moving, they will move. Here we go. When they get hit, you can turn it off. Now let's change the root to G. They're all clustered up in here. Let's just turn the thing on, see what it does. Oh, anyway, you guys, that's billiard.medusas.com. Again, I'll leave the link below. It's a pretty interesting website. I haven't seen anything like. I mean, there could be similar site, but this is the first. Alright, anyways, I'll see you guys later.